Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. Today, as you guys could probably read in the title, we are picking up the supercharger for the build. I've been waiting to do this for a long time, kind of like back in high school. I used to really want like a bagged boosted 5.0. So we already got the bags and now comes the boost. So we chose the Whipple supercharger, which we're gonna go pick up. I have a little surprise about that, which I'm sure a lot of you guys could guess, but it's custom powder coated and we might even get a little factory tour. Plus, down here in Fresno, my buddy Alex SVT, which you guys have seen on the channel before.
Wait, which turn is it?
He's right there with the sign. Oh, man, did we just fly in. So now we're at Whipple, but as I was saying, maybe we're gonna meet up with Alex SVT because he does live in the area, but we're gonna go check in, see what all we gotta do to pick up the kit, and maybe get a factory tour like I was saying.
So they basically start out as lengths. So the machine length here, they get the rotor shaft pressed in, so all the way through. This is one piece, and then from there they're held in on center to do the profile cut. The rotors themselves.
Pretty heavy, huh? Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Got some weight.
I don't know how much they weigh, but we cut about half of that material.
Yeah, I can tell.
So they have to do about 2 of those a day.
Wow.
So.
And you guys just melt it, recycle, or?
You just recycle. Yeah, when the company comes by and picks it up,
yeah,
for recycling.
Oh yeah, there you go. Wow. New one's getting put in.
This used to be our main machine shop.
Oh.
Literally 3 weeks ago, they moved all that out into the other building I was telling you.
Oh yeah.
So they're basically, we got this new machine delivered in here, and then we got 2. How many other machines you got coming in here, Chris? 3 more machines?
3 more of these?
Not this big, no.
Oh, okay.
No.
Wow.
So it'll be this one and that one. They're doing the main deal, but then we're gonna have a machine in here to cut the shafts.
What's the average cost on one of these?
A lot.
Like 400,000, 500,000?
Yeah.
More?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, Chris, you know how much the machines cost? 602.
602.
No, the little tree was like 554. That was a little smaller though.
So this car was actually flying by me in the neighborhood because my buddy was, I think, working on it, doing some transmission stuff, but now it's apart. So this is what mine's gonna look like getting pulled apart to put on the Whipple. This is the Gen 5 3.8 though, so they just announced this. Mine's a 3.0, which we'll get into later, but this one's the new 3.8 that you guys may have seen on Facebook and Instagram. It fits just snugly in there, but that's gonna be what, capable of 1,500?
More than that.
More than that?
The blower itself is capable of probably around 2 to 2,200 horsepower.
Wow, so that is gonna be capable of 2,200 horsepower just right there. It's a super nice contained package, tons of engineering right here in the US, so that's why I'm a part of Team Whipple now.
This is where all the blowers actually get assembled to make the blower. They take the rotors, they put them in the bearing plates, which is what those are. So seals, bearings, everything gets pressed into there. Rotors get put in, gears get put on. Basically comes out as bag rotor assemblies here to go towards whatever order is coming up next.
Wow. This is a Gen 5, right?
That's Gen 5, yeah.
Ooh.
Oh my god.
Like that, but a little surprise. You guys will see that. We'll pull it out here in a little bit. Surprise.
Like they just need pictures taken, then they go on this line, which these guys over here are literally just pulling from here.
All the superchargers going out. So they take photos of them as they go out just to make sure they're covering their bases. So that way, in case anybody's missing parts, they can obviously tell whether or not it's missing. So you can see it's all laid out. So yeah, these are all going to be sent out here today. But I asked him how many are going out every day. He said on average about 25 a day go out. So that's quite a lot. So there's a lot of moving parts. You guys are seeing that. So it's not a small operation. Like, this is a big deal. So I'm glad to finally be a part of Team Whipple, and I can't wait for putting it on the car. So right here we're in their marine section, and this is actually a dual supercharger for one motor. So this is going to be what, like a 3,000 horsepower
Typically we're from about 1,700 to 2,500.
So 1,700 to 2,500 on the water. So you're gonna be booking it on the water. But this all goes there, this intercooler, this massive thick intercooler. Yeah, these things are huge. They make look like the car ones look small, but it's because they're literally just so massive. Like, that's my hand on that, and that's the small one. All right, so we're gonna unbox it, see what this thing looks like. I just want to take a photo in front of the trailer there, but let's see.
This guy couldn't wait.
I could not. I want to see it.
He wants to install it right now. Oh, there, I see it.
You're welcome, Jacob.
There you go. You good?
There she is.
Oh, dude, I got it brown. Oh yeah, I saw it. Whoa. Dude, that's a perfect match too.
Yeah,
like, that's actually my calipers. Because I was kind of worried, is it going to be a different color? That's exactly it.
You want to pick this up and take a picture next to it?
I did want to. Yeah. Dude, that looks so sick. That's going to be so awesome.
Which way are you going to hold it?
Oh, I have to pick it up this one. Hold on. It'll say, do not tell me.
Go, hurry up.
Hold on. Got it.
You gonna hold it like that?
Yeah, I got it.
Whole logo. Get one with like just the logo.
So of course, since we're in Fresno, had to say what's up to Alex. We got Alex back here. We got both of his cars, the Cobra, which, you know, we can't really get too crazy with, but he has the S550. So we're gonna see, should I go S550? Should we add an S550 to the channel? I don't know, we're gonna have to see. So I'm gonna ride in his, maybe drive it.
Yeah, that's cool.
But this thing's ported 18, no, just normal 18.
No, it's ported.
Oh, ported 18. Ported 18, E85, long tubes. This thing should be quick and has a nice aftermarket clutch. So let's see what this is all about.
Pop the radar on.
What I really enjoy is your fashion accessories.
Oh, thank you.
Those are very nice.
Those were just some small touches we did earlier in the build. Want your ass cooled, I got you.
Oh, that is a feature I wish I had.
It's a little dusty, a little dirty, but...
You know what? We got the JATO Performance carbon.
Yeah. I'm gonna take him down the street and then...
All right. It actually rides smooth for being coils.
Yeah, it's cool.
Like, my bags are a little bit bouncier than this. Like,
really? Yeah.
Yeah, this actually rides really nice because I think of IRS.
Yeah, no, for
Ooh,
sure.
maybe we have to add an S550 to the channel. Yeah, dude, over those bumps, it's actually pretty good.
It's a little like jumpy.
Yeah, but you rode in my bags.
Yeah, no, it's good. It's not bad.
And right now my butt's being AC'd. I literally have a cooled off butt. I'll be honest, that feels like it would definitely pull on my car. I'm not even gonna lie. That thing feels strong. It feels very strong.
Yeah, okay.
It's on E85 ported long tubes. Like, it does have some good mods on it.
Alrighty.
Alright. Yeah. That's strong.
It feels good.
That feels really good.
I enjoy it.
It feels really good. Wow. So we just did a little ride along there with Alex, and it pulls hard. Like, I honestly believe this car would pull on my car because it has a ported 18, E85 long tubes and 373s. Like, that thing is very solid and it hooks pretty well. So yeah, this would probably be how I do an S550. It was comfortable, loud, smooth, had tons of power for everyday stuff. So yeah, this is a very clean S550. Oh my God. So we just figured out he got the Mucho Macho tires. They hook up pretty good. It's basically a Nitto. But we have a little bit of a drive to get back home, and I'm gonna take the Whipple kit back to the house, and then probably in a couple weeks we'll get on the install for that. We just gotta do a couple things like oil pump gear and crank sprocket, and then a few other mods here and there along the way. So we're gonna go ahead, get that back home, and start heading home about 2 hours away. But I'm gonna go ahead and end it right here. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, then please comment, like, and subscribe. We're part of the Whipple game now, but I'll catch you guys next time.